light, filming it in the same day. So what I'm gonna do right now is talk about my ring light, because if you haven't noticed, I'm trying to step up my YouTube game. And I got a ring light, and I actually set up a background so you're not like looking at my hamper no longer. Okay. I rearranged and everything. I'm gonna show you this here ring light. That there is the ring light, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. So I really appreciate that they put these little lights in here, these little like LED lights, rather than an actual bulb. And so there are these little LED lights in here rather than a bulb, which is better in my opinion because I can break a light bulb. Okay, don't mind my unmade bed, but that was fairly easy to put back on. I just had to snap it back on, but I needed both my hands, so yeah. It just came with the stand, which was really good. I got it for around $70, but I added a 2-year protection thing on it for like $10, so it came around $80. This is the stand, and here's like the cord and whatever. I didn't want it dragging on the floor, so it's kind of sticking to that. But this is the thing that tightens it, and it also came with like a little camera mount thing for this right here. So yeah, this the ring light or whatever. And I also found another one that came with this camera, this tripod mount or whatever it's called. It came with that. So I'm gonna link that one too, because I was just like, and I believe this is a 12-inch ring light. So that's my ring light. I'm gonna try and show you how bright it gets without blinding myself. Okay? Okay. Here's the dial right here. That like turns it brighter and lower and cuts it off. So that is it off. And if this thing would just choose a spot, I could focus. Come on, camera, bro. Come on, bro, damn. It's like focusing on everything but the ring light, whatever. This is as bright as it goes. It's really bright. I'm trying not to look at it. I'm gonna turn around and show you what it looks like turned all the way up on me. This is what it looks like on the highest of the high. And my eyes are kind of really sensitive to light. So I'm gonna turn it down so I can look right into the camera. Woo! There we go. That looks better. Anyway, so yeah, that's my ring light. I'm gonna leave all the links and details and whatnot down below. I got it off of Walmart.com, and yeah. Until next time, if you see me in this shirt again, I'm just trying to, trying to get all this done one day, okay?